Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how I made this egusi soup, also known as ofe egusi or white seed melon soup. So to get started, I start by cooking the meat. In here I have chicken, beef and stockfish already seasoned and cooked. So the meats are ready. So next thing I'll be topping up water enough to cook this soup. I am not doing the frying method here today. We are cooking it, just cooking it the traditional way. So next I'll be adding some palm oil. Do not use too much palm oil because egusi already contains some oil in it. So I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. So when it starts boiling like so, I'm going to go ahead now and add the rest of the ingredients for making this soup. So I'll be adding some washed and deboned smoked catfish, followed by some smoked and shredded chicken. It's optional, you don't have to use it, because some people ask me, what I use all this meat before I cook? I said no, do you use anything you have and prepare your soup. So next I'll be adding some ground crayfish. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish. And next I'll be adding some ground bonga fish powder. If you don't have it, you can skip it. We'll be adding some crushed red pepper. I'll be adding some ground hot pepper, followed by some dawa dawa powder, that is locust bean, dried locust bean grounded. Then next I'll be adding some ground uziza seed powder. Then I added a little fermented sesame. Yeah, sesame seed fermented. You can call it ogiri, but this one is not ogiri Igbo. This one is ogiri Ghana. So I'm gonna give it a little stir so that all the ingredients will mix properly. So next I will cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. So here is the egusi I will be using. So I am using hand peeled egusi. I already grounded it. I'm using 2 cups of hand peeled egusi grounded by myself, and I'll be adding a quarter cup of osu, ground osu. I don't know the name for also in English, but I will find it out and put it here on the screen. So I grated the oso and I will be mixing it together with the ground egusi before adding it to the soup. Okay, our soup has been boiling for some minutes now. It's time to add the egusi and the oso mix. So I'll be adding it bit by bit. As I add, I will mix it because I don't want it to have heavy lumps in it. If you want yours to have heavy lumps, you might just add everything once before and cover it to cook before you start turning. So I'm adding this because I don't want much lumps. So add the rest of the egusi and then stir it properly to mix. So next I'll go in with some Maggi star cubes. You can use any type of seasoning cube you have at hand. Remember, you must not use what I'm using here. Just cook according to your choices. Next, I added more ground crayfish, about a tablespoon of ground crayfish more, just to get out that flavor, and you add more to the flavor and the taste. Then stir it properly. I tested for salt, and here I am adding about a teaspoon of pink Himalaya salt. Then cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. So after a few minutes, I'll be going in with vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I am using kale here. That's what I can get around me. If you have ugu, use it. If you have bitter leaf, use it. Use any vegetable you like, okay? You must not use what I am using here. So, and you might think that this vegetable is too much. No, it's not much. Kale, once the heat goes on it, everything will fall. You will see it. So cover it for 1 minute and then give it a good stir. Do not overcook your vegetable. It goes in last. Highest, cook it for 1 minute, then stir your soup for about few seconds, and the soup is ready. As you can see, so you can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice, okay? Serve with any swallow, or you can lick it like that, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.